today is the day we are starting the garden. I'm so excited. So it's the day before Mother's Day, and my mother and I have all of these really different, not my mother and I, my sister and I have all these different ideas of what we'd like to do on Mother's Day, and it's her first Mother's Day, so she wants to go to brunch. So she's taking Mom to brunch, and then tomorrow's gonna rain, so we're doing it today. We're doing the garden. So we're on our way to Home Depot now. We've got Franny getting strapped in. Andy's getting in the back seat with her. We're going to buy all the dirt. They built me a wagon that dumps this morning, and we're going to start the vegetable garden. So I'm actually like really excited. I bought these new cedar planters I can't wait to show you, and we still have to dig out the old planters from last year because I don't know, I dropped the ball on that. So that's why we have the wagon that dumps. So we're gonna be getting very dirty today, and I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Happy Mother's Day. Okay, so we're at Home Depot, and this is all they have. This tiny little rack of organic vegetables. They don't even have, like most of it's not organic. And I don't really understand why you wouldn't want to eat organic. Why would I want to eat pesticide? So I'm trying to pick out stuff that I want, like eggplants and stuff, and they don't have it. So that's great. I'm just like really happy about that. We're gonna get the dirt anyway, and then I guess I'll go to Whole Foods and see what they have once they get their vegetables in. What are you doing? What'd you find? What's really nice about my husband is that red hat. I can find him anywhere. So I almost forgive him for not being a Yankee fan, but not completely. So we're picking our soil right now, and usually I get Nature's Care, and last year there was a bag that said organic and had vegetables on the bag. And this year, of course, nowhere to be found. So we're just trying to pick one that's organic and made for vegetables and made for raised beds, and we can't seem to find that anywhere. What are you doing? Don't smell it. How you doing? It's very sunny in here. Are we watching Daddy? What are you doing? You look like the Queen! You look like the Queen. Should we see if we could find a fig tree?
Oh yeah!
Okay, let's do that. Franny, you excited?
Are you cold already? John? Oh yeah, I'm leaving.
Definitely don't think this is going to be enough dirt, but they have some in Whole Foods, which is right by our house, so if we need more, we're just going to go there. So Home Depot was not as successful as last year, but I think we got enough, and we have all our seed packets, so we are going to go get our raised beds built and full of dirt, and then we're going to plant the seeds that we have, and I can always put more plants in later. It's very important to start your seeds early, but if you're buying them as a plant, you can put them in a little bit later. So we are home. We went to Whole Foods on the way home, got a rotisserie. Do you know they come in all different flavors? So that's really good, right? My husband's allergic to garlic and onions, so we get the one that's plain. Anyway, back to the garden. They didn't have much stuff at Whole Foods either, so we're gonna make do with what we have. And I think we have some good stuff. And it's kind of overcast right now. We're gonna make dinner, and then we're going to build the planters, but probably put them together tomorrow. My pit bull. Someone walked by my house. Anyway, so I will continue tomorrow. Have a nice day.